Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy Paulson. Today we're diving into the world of hair care, focusing on the incredible benefits of rosemary oil. Whether you're looking to stimulate hair growth, make your own DIY rosemary oil, or understand the best practices for application, you are in the right place. Stick around until the end as I will be sharing a fantastic free resource to further enhance your essential oil journey. Let's get started. Let's talk about rosemary oil for hair benefits. Rosemary oil offers numerous benefits for hair health, from rosemary for hair growth to rosemary shampoo for reducing dandruff. Here's what you can expect. Number one, rosemary essential oil promotes hair growth. Stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, enhancing nutrient delivery to hair follicles. DHT inhibition. Rosemary oil may help inhibit the production of DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss. Rosemary oil improves scalp health. Antimicrobial properties reduce dandruff, flakiness, and soothe irritation. Strengthens hair. Antioxidants in rosemary oil contribute to stronger, healthier hair. It also prevents premature graying. While evidence is limited, rosemary oil benefits may protect the hair from oxidative stress because of its antioxidant properties. Rosemary essential oil adds shine. It enhances overall hair health, adding shine and luster. And finally, let's talk about the aromatic benefits of rosemary oil. Did you know that rosemary oil benefits extend beyond hair growth? Rosemary essential oil is known for its invigorating and aromatic properties. Here are some of the aromatic benefits associated with rosemary oil that you'll also experience as you're using it for your hair. Number one, mental clarity and focus. The scent of rosemary oil is often associated with improved concentration and mental clarity. It stimulates the mind and enhances cognitive function. Diffusing rosemary oil in the workplace, at home, or inhaling its aroma may help improve focus, memory, and overall mental alertness. Rosemary oil benefits also include energizing and uplifting, aids in stress reduction, supports healthy respiratory function, and also enhances your overall mood. Who doesn't want that? Okay, so how to use rosemary oil for hair growth. If you have rosemary essential oil pre-made in a bottle, rosemary oil is a game changer for promoting hair growth. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it effectively. First is dilution. So how to dilute rosemary essential oil for your hair. Essential oils are powerful. So starting by diluting rosemary oil with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil, jojoba, almond, or olive oil. Aim for a ratio of 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Stir that mixture together to make sure that it's evenly distributed. Now you'll want to do a patch test. Always perform a patch test 24 hours before applying rosemary oil for hair growth to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Most essential oils on the market today are synthetic or adulterated, so there is a high chance of a reaction if the essential oil you're using is impure or cheap. Here's an example of 2 little girls whose grandma had put lavender essential oil on them. They had been using doterra oil before, and she had run out of that and was using this other oil, and they experienced chemical burn. So it's important to make sure that your oil is pure and potent. Now, application. Here's what you want to do. You want to part your hair and expose the scalp and gently massage the diluted rosemary oil into your scalp with your fingertips. And then you want to leave it on. So how long to leave rosemary oil in your hair? For optimal results, leave the rosemary on your scalp for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Some even prefer overnight applications. The duration for leaving rosemary oil on your hair depends on the routine that you're setting up. So if it's a short application, you could leave it on 5 to 10 minutes for a quick treatment during your regular shower routine. If you want a deep conditioning treatment, then 30 minutes to an hour for intense rosemary oil hair treatment. Overnight treatments are awesome. For maximum absorption, consider leaving the rosemary oil on overnight. You could cover your head with a shower cap or a towel. Then it's time to shampoo. So wash your hair with a sulfate-free shampoo to remove the oil, and you might need to shampoo twice. Let's talk about frequency. Remember to be consistent with your application, starting with once to twice a week and adjust based on your scalp's response. Here's some additional tips. Consider blending rosemary oil with other beneficial essential oils or incorporating it into a DIY hair mask. You can grab my free essential oils guidebook down in the description for more essential oils that are beneficial for hair growth and for overall hair health. Okay, so let's talk about how to make rosemary oil for hair if you're not wanting to just grab a pre-made or a pre-bottled essential oil. Now let's explore how to make your own rosemary oil at home. It's a simple process that requires a few ingredients. So here's what you need. Some fresh rosemary sprigs or dried, a carrier oil like olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba, or almond oil, dark glass bottles, and cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer. You will infuse the rosemary sprigs in the oil for at least 2 weeks in a cool, dry, dark place. I generally just use a mason jar with rosemary and the carrier oil and just leave it in my pantry. Then you want to strain the oil. So after the infusion period, strain the oil using cheesecloth into a dark glass bottle. I like these ones with the droppers. And then you want to make sure that you label it. Don't forget to label the bottle with the contents and the date of the preparation. And then you want to apply it. So use your homemade rosemary oil by applying a small amount to your scalp and hair and leaving it in for at least 30 minutes before washing. If you're as excited about the benefits of rosemary oil as we are, and you want to explore even more essential oil usage tips, I've got you covered with something special. So click the link in the description to download my free essential oils guidebook for a comprehensive resource on using essential oils in your daily life. Don't miss out on this valuable guide, it's free. All right, that's a wrap for today's video on rosemary oil for hair. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit the bell notification for more essential oil tips and tricks. And if you like this video, you may want to check out these videos on diffusing essential oils and how to use them effectively.